Now repeat after me. A, B, C. Good boy. Very smart. Next one. D, E. Sit here. Don't move. We are going home. Look outside. So many cars. No, still sit. Just look. See the blue one? Yeah, that's a car. We're almost. Look at my attendant. Wait, I'll give you later. Look, honey, the pool. Sit down. People are watching. Stop watching. We are crossing. Be nice. Hey, I said so. You let me?
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Let me check. Don't be scared. You're my patient. Good job. Heart sound good. Sit down. Alphabet. Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Yay! Come you big red. Good boy. Walk properly, okay? Don't pull. Slow down. People watching. Hey, I said slow.